supporting people.
Okay, so gonna explore Mr. DIY a bit. Trying to revamp my whole home office setup. It's not really looking like it's giving the office setup apa semua. I'm just gonna show you my before setup. Okay, so please just pardon me. Since I moved here, pindah memang tak buat apa-apa langsung dekat this section. It looks like this. There's Gengars there. Some other things. And my chair. Look, I've been working on a metal chair for the past I guess for the past 6 years. 6 years. I've been using this chair for 6 years. I ingat I beli kat Giant. Terus ni about like RM30 ke RM20 tau. Tapi sampai hari ni dia tahan, and it's very I guess versatile. Buat meja makan boleh, buat meja boleh, and then dia boleh lipat. So senang lah nak pindah-pindah. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna transform this place into something yang more cute, more clean, cute and functional lah. I have this space tapi I jarang pakai sebab I don't know why. Kadang-kadang I macam nak baring. Overall, I just want a minimalist setup. I am also curious at what can I get at Mr. DIY relevant to what I want, instead of buying things online and can get it instantly. I'll be buying things on Shopee and then waiting at my door 5 minutes after. I want that instant gratification thing. I'm gonna go to some Mr. DIYs today. We'll see how. Depends on the barang. Kalau jumpa barang cepat, then mungkin satu DIY dah kita boleh balik lah. So go to the biggest, which is May Valley. So guess I'll see you there. Terima kasih kerana menyambut kedatangan saya ke Mr. DIY. I'm sad there's not much PC stuff here. Gonna cross that out the list. Buat something yang macam ni, so that I can put the monitor atas and put stuff. What something like this? Tapi yang ni dah pecah, so trying to find the new one I guess for that. Tapi macam tak ada. So where is it? Guys, I found it, guys. So I'm looking for something like this, so that kita boleh mount macam ni, but this needs your own DIY. So I'm looking for something yang macam ni. So nampak. Then I'm positive the keyboard will fit under here. It's so very pretty and dia kata easy installation. So tinggal buka je kot. I don't know. Overall, I'm happy with what I found. Tapi I think I nak masuk DAISO juga just in case. So let's get to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Aku nak yang size macam ni, yang dia macam type.
A few minutes later.
And we're home. Okay, so we got our loot. I don't know if you guys can clearly hear me. I hope so. iPhone, you better work. I've been looking for desk mats, and I've been looking basically satu area yang I duduk ni, is a PC shop yang memang jual desk mat. I did bought desk mat kat DAISO, tapi it's actually a placemat for your dining table, but then it's leather. Look, PVC leather. So macam kalau you ada meja macam tadi I tunjuk, really wanted something like this, tapi mula I tak nak beli hitam Sebab bila berhabuk, you can see it, right? And everything. But I guess that's okay. Dekat Daiso, RM5.90. You ada beli dua dalam RM11.80. RM11.80 lah. I'm gonna be using this to ganti that desk mat lah basically. Sebab I pakai ni. Oh my god. I pakai ni.
What is that space?
Dustpan for this table. I'm gonna put it here. Kit, I don't have it anymore, so I rebought it. This is like RM4.50. Yang ni RM1.70. Oops. So I selalu beli dua sebab I tak tahu masa benda ni akan nak jatuh. You know what I mean? I beli putih sebab dia matching dengan grid kat belakang tu. So I memang suka tong sampah warna purple juga. Matching dengan anaconda. Lagi I bought this auxiliary cable sebab sekarang you saw the mic setup, right? So I have this earphone that I use to like maybe listen to music when I mix stuff or when I sing. So it's currently pink, so it's not giving. So I actually bought the gold one in hopes that it will match the aesthetic more. Yeah. Okay, beli dan tak beli. Harga dalam RM3.50. RM3.50. Okay. Beli. Okay, this is the winner. I was inspired by this one. Tak, sebab kalau tengok monitor dia punya stand dia besar tu je. And I just nak tempat untuk I boleh letak barang kat bawah monitor tu. Monitor tu ni tinggi sangat, tinggi sikit. I bought a new office chair and that's sort of like, to me, I want like a more comfortable chair lah, because I have days yang I work from home, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna raise up the monitor a bit. Yeah, yang ni RM15.90. Ada dua size, ada satu lagi yang pandang dan RM20 lah. Okay, a bunch of other things. Sticky note. Masa aku beli benda ni? Yeah, just a simple file. Okay, so we're gonna start cleaning. Kita letak barang-barang ni semua. Been mixing stuff that I already have and stuff yang I baru beli tadi. So at the end, I'm just gonna show a summary of how much I spent and what's the outcome lah. And then bila kerusi tu sampai, kerusi ni sampai, kita akan tengok lah whether it matches the whole aesthetic. I think it will be a mix. Just chaotic like that sometimes. Yeah. I'm gonna do a time lapse cleaning things. I hope I don't get distracted by other things. So I mean, kalau distracted you can see lah I distracted sebab apa lah. So yeah, okay, cleaning time. Okay, I mean so far it looks neat. I suka set up macam ni. Really excited for my chair. Hopefully do this thing quite frequent lah. So I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Let me just connect my laptop to the monitor if you will. So this is my kejadian lah selepas mengemas semua. Don't go for me dekat tempat yang tak rata tu dengan yang hujung ni, because I mostly work around here. So the thing is, I nak incorporate this lampu tapi tak tahu nak letak kat mana. I just mount it somewhere. Okay, so I decided with this and hopefully it doesn't fall off. So abaikan cahaya kat belakang. Yeah, it's simple, it's functional to me. So now just tinggal kerusi. And basically I'm set. So basically on kursi tu I can sit higher, so my elbow can be right here. So then the monitor will be like, I guess eye level, if it makes sense. Nanti kursi dah sampai, kita share bila kursi dah ada lah.
One eternity later.
Sebelum kita tamatkan video, just gonna say the overall cost for this setup yang I beli lah. So we got the notebook yang A5 tu. I don't know why did I buy. RM4.90, and then kita ada storage rack yang putih belakang ni. Kita ada RM15.90. Hook, dua jenis hook tu RM2.50 dengan RM3.50. Auxiliary cable RM3.50. Cleaning kit untuk screen, I guess RM4.30. So all in all, those items are RM34.20. Okay, RM34.20. You need to have this other stuff lah, basically. Benda-benda lain ni semua dah lama ada, so it's basically free. Girl math. So RM34.20. So oh no, sabar, RM34.20 campur dust mat 2 kat belakang ni. So total semua ialah RM36. RM36. You can have a slightly newer setup yang I guess functional for you lah. So my aesthetic is this, apa yang I ada lah basically. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this is useful. I'm gonna wait for the chair to like complete my whole setup, so tune into that. Nanti bila dah sampai kita buat unboxing, review, letak kat sini macam mana. So yeah, bye. Kita jumpa lagi next video. Bye bye.